I can tell you, Mr. Tamaki, you have been skating on very thin ice today. I have seriously considered whether you should be remanded in custody in relation to the further charge, or in relation to all charges, and the allegation that you have breached your bail. The police allege that you are in breach of the conditions previously imposed on you by this court, not to organise or attend any protests in breach of any current COVID-19 level requirements, and not to access or use the internet for the purpose of organising, attending or encouraging non-compliance with the COVID-19 Public Health Response Act 2020 or any orders made pursuant to the Act. You have denied the breach and you have pleaded not guilty to the new charge, as you have pleaded not guilty to the previous charge and denied the previous allegation of breach. The question of whether legally you were in breach will have to be determined on another occasion. You will be remanded again on bail to appear again in this court on the 11th of January 2022 at 9:15 a.m. for a case review hearing. The conditions which will apply to all of the charges are now as follows. 1, you are not to organise, attend, support or speak at any protest gathering in breach of any current COVID-19 level requirement. 2, you are to observe all and any current COVID-19 alert level requirements. 3, you are not to access or use the internet for the purpose of organising, attending or encouraging non-compliance with the COVID-19 Public Health Act 2020 or any orders made pursuant to that Act. 4, you are not to attend at or enter the Auckland domain. I do not want there to be any misunderstanding. That is the purpose by which I'm imposing these conditions, and if you act in a way which is deemed by the court to be acting contrary to that purpose, you run the significant risk that you will be found to be in breach of your bail and remanded in custody.